you're looking on how to make an animals cash cow channel, which we'll be going over in just a few seconds, I just want to let you know, congratulations, you're in the right place. Watch to the end to see if this niche gets the green light or the red light stamp of approval. Subscribe if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And don't forget to check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below if you do want to make money with YouTube without revealing your face in any of the videos. So in order to make an animals cash cow channel, I want to start off by showing you guys what a great one looks like so we can draw some inspiration from. Let me switch over to viewer mode and let's go investigate on YouTube. Now we need to think about what a person interested in watching animal videos would look up. Alright guys, so I looked up what are the biggest sea animals, and let's go scroll down to see which video catches our attention. I see a big, huge whale biting down on this little animal. See, I don't even know what that is. Just see a red circle. See a crazy animal right here, but I do like this eye. It looks like a very crazy animal looking to creep up on this little ship. Let's go check it out. So what I do like about this video is we just see some sea animals in the ocean right here. Some pretty cool animations, free stock footage that these guys uploaded on squids, some sea creatures. You guys could easily find these on websites like Pixabay or Pexels, easy to download. You can find information about Crabzilla on Google, reading some articles and putting that information together. There's most likely a voiceover going on in this video narrating the video. And these are all just a collage of pictures and free stock footage combined together to make this video. We also have free stock footage of a great white shark right here. You can easily find this and websites like Pixabay, Pexels. You can easily download these, put a collage of them together, make them into a video for your visual. You can also find information on the internet, reading some articles on Google, researching what to talk about in your video. The best part about these videos is that you don't have to reveal yourself. You can literally be like a chameleon, blend in with the background, make a video like this, and nobody will know that it is you making the video. If we scroll down, I can just see how many views this video has, over 9 million views. This channel has well over 2 million subscribers, and there's a decent amount of comments, so there is engagement on this video as well. I would also love to hear from you guys. Comment down below, what is your favorite animal, or what do you like watching most about animals? Now let's go check out the type of videos this channel is making. As we can see from their banner, they're just letting me know to subscribe to their content. If we go down into their videos, sort by most popular, let's just see what kind of content they got going on. So they have 10 children with real superpowers. They also have, it looks more like a top 10 channel as I see a lot of 10s, but they do have a lot of content related to animals. You could keep scrolling down and we're gonna see just some sea monster attacks, mythical creatures, most dangerous holes on earth. So they do have animal content, and they also have other top 10 related content within their channel. Now let's go check out how their monetization is going. Let's go check out how many views this channel is getting and how much money they're making through ad revenue. So if I go into this website and enter their information, I could easily check out how much these guys are making in ad revenue and how many views they're getting throughout their videos. As I scroll down, they're getting roughly the past 30 days, 3.26 million views per month. Off the bat, that does tell me that there is a large audience interested in this type of content, as they're getting millions of views throughout the past few days. And based off those views, they're clocking in close to over 10,000 throughout the month. They might be getting a little bit more, as you know, this is only an estimate on how much their monthly earnings is. It can go up to 13,000 and even more. And throughout the year, they're reaching that 6-figure mark, being close to over 150,000 throughout the year. The high amount of views does tell me that there is a possibility for you to go viral with these type of videos. If you are enjoying the content so far, leave a like down below. Now let's see how easy these videos are to make for yourself. What do we see? What do we hear? Look at our video up here. A video is like putting a stuffed animal together. How'd I do, guys, on my 10-second video? Let me know in the comment section down below. Now we gotta check out, does this niche get the stamp of approval? Does it get the green light or the red light? I would say that the animals niche does get the green light, as there is a high demand for them. People do love watching interesting content of animals we never seen before. Animals will stay relevant as they are so crucial to the human survival, and the potential for your profit is there as well. A bonus is that these videos are easy to make, and YouTube automation serves as a great backbone for this niche. I would highly recommend you guys using this video or other videos of the channel that we went over for inspiration Try not to copy their ideas and be creative within your own ideas and videos. This is just one niche. YouTube automation serves as a great backbone for multiple niches as well. And we're going to be going over other niches in future videos as well. Now you have two options. Option A, you can do this yourself and possibly take the risk of, wasting your time trying to figure out on how to do YouTube correctly. Or you have option B. If you want the step-by-step guide that helps so many creators become successful with the YouTube automation process. If this is something that you'll be interested in doing, then I would highly recommend checking out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below. That's it for this video. Check out this video right here as we're going to be exploring the next niche to check out if it is profitable, if it gets the green light or the red light stamp of approval. Subscribe to TubeGreat if you're looking to grow a YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And don't forget to check out the YouTube Freedom Blueprint link in the description below if you do want to make that money with YouTube without revealing your face in any of the content. Peace.